On today's video, we're cooking Brazil's most expensive steak, picanha. All right, so first of all, I want to thank Snake River Farms for giving us this piece of meat. It is beautiful. The texture on it is like freaking butter already. You can feel it like almost cooking in your hands.
Ooh, yummy.
So we're gonna do this one a little bit different. We're gonna fire up the Weber. We're gonna cook it indirect. And then once it hits about 100 degrees, we're gonna sear it, pull it up here, rest it, slice it up, and taste it. And it's gonna be freaking phenomenal. Because guess what? We got a little twist. What we got here is a little bit of homemade chimichurri sauce. Okay, so all of the recipes are gonna be down in the description below. Don't worry, times, temps, everything. Down below, go down there, print it off. That way you got it at the house. But in here, there is a ton of stuff. Now, I understand everybody makes chimichurri their own way. We just did this the way we like it. But you do what you like. But we're gonna put this picanha inside of our bag, put our chimichurri in there, let it marinate. Now, I will tell you this, we did keep some aside for the final friggin' product because this stuff smells and tastes amazing. I gotta tell you, I'm not a fan of green sauce usually. I'm with Angel on this one, my boy Guga. Sorry, bro. But, hey, man, I'm willing to try anything once. Almost anything. Not anything. I'll take that back. Not anything.
It's on the internet now.
So without further ado, let's get these in the bag, marinating 1 hour in the fridge. Go light that Weber, and let's get to freaking cooking. All right, so we got our grill going. We're gonna cook these indirect. I just threw on a couple of hickory chunks, 3 of them, just put them in the corners. They caught fire, but when I put the lid on, we're gonna get that nice smoke. Roll the montage. right, so I gotta tell you, that chimichurri sauce smells freaking amazing on here. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I think this is slowly starting to, you know, grow on me a little bit. This is an awesome cut of meat. I think here in the States, you may find it as sirloin cap or rump cap or picanha. All right, so a quick recap. We put these in our chimichurri marinade for about an hour, got our Weber going, and we put a little Texas beef on them out there, cooked them indirect till they got 100 degrees, seared them over the fire, let them rest for 20 minutes, sliced them up, put some chimichurri on them, and now the only thing left to do is to hit it. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching, and if you love steaks, check out this video right here, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Oh man, dude, that's ridiculous.